Hello friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. Hope you are fine now friends. In this video we have a look of TRX crypto. What's the price change occur in TRON, what's the high price of TRON, and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. So before starting this brand video, if you don't subscribe my channel, so first of all please click the subscribe button right now and also press the like button for my support. Now let's see the live price prediction of TRX crypto. What's the price change goes and TRX in the last 2 hours. After that we decide we look the last 1 hour price prediction, and after that we decide that it's time to buy, sell or hold TRX crypto. As you can see now on the screen, that is live price prediction of previous 2 hours. If we look the average change occur in TRX in the last 2 hours, so the change is negative 6.41% chance occur in TRX in the last 2 hours, and the high price of TRX is about $0.115565 is the high price of TRX in the previous last 2 hours. So friends, if we look the chart analysis of TRX, so after a mid of the last 1 hour they falling down. As you can see here, the previous hour they take a jump, but now the last 1 hour they falls down. As you can see here, that is the note this please note this change, negative 6% chance occur in the last 2 hours. Now let's see the last 1 hour change. The last 1 hour, what's the last 1 hour change? As you can see here, negative 7% chance occur in the last 1 hour, so 1% chance occur in the previous last 2 hours. As you can see here, negative 7.16% chance occur in the last 1 hour, and the high price of TRX is about $0.114849 is the high price of TRX crypto. So friends, if we look the chart analysis, so the previous hour they continuously falling down, but don't worry about the falling of TRX crypto, because as you know it is the 7th April and it is the start of new month. That is why they falls down, and my suggestion for all of TRX holder, that hold your TRX crypto with the end of this month, because your big pumps are coming soon, so wait for the explosion time. And if you are a holder, so please hold it. What's your opinion about TRX crypto? Please share in the comment box. And if you want to buy TRX crypto, so absolutely it's a bad time to buy TRX crypto. Please wait when they start explosion, then it is the best time for you to buy a TRX crypto. Thank you so much for watching this video. Remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel.